You're watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. A 14-year-old boy from Banti Minche province has caught the attention of the public by making several remote-controlled toys from discarded and recycled items. Living in Sarep Soporn City in Banti Minche province, Lim Sovanarit has drawn the attention of the public to his many toy creations made from recycled materials, including remote-controlled mini harvesters, cars, and tractors. He explains that he uses discarded and scrap materials such as cans, pipes, shells, foam plates, and more to make his toys, and gave a demonstration of his remote-control mini harvester, which took about a week to make and cost about $10. As a freshman in 8th grade, Lim Sovanarit aspires to become a designer in the future.